Curve Card is a fintech product that combines multiple credit cards and debit cards into a single card and gives you 1% extra cashback. I applied with no hard inquiry done to my credit because it's technically not a credit card itself. The box is well made. It comes with a matte finish, a few lines of funny texts, a simplistic graphic, and a couple of interactive details. The card took a week to arrive, and at the time of this video, Curve only supports credit cards from MasterCard, Discover, and Diners Club. If you want to add a Visa card, you'll have to use a debit card instead. As someone who's heavily invested in the American Express ecosystem, I'm enjoying the concept, but not amused by these limitations. Upon application, I was given this metal card that's supposedly a limited edition. I checked on their website and found that it currently has 4 tiers: the free OG card, the Curve X, the Curve Black, and the Curve Metal. The latter 3 seem to cost a monthly fee in some regions, although I'm in the US and it doesn't seem to be the case for me. I have to say that the card design is top-notch and even flawless, whether the front or the back. It's not worth comparing it with the traditional premium cards, whether those from Amex, Chase, or Capital One, or any other bank. But this Curve card here has a unique style that's nicer than the X1 card and comparable to the Apple Card in its own ways. The card numbers are also printed in the back with a neat typeface and a comfortable use of space. Of course, I can't show you those, so you'll have to take my word for it. Curve claims on the box that the card has a net weight of 18 grams, but the actual weight here is 17 grams on my kitchen scale, which can be a little inaccurate, I imagine. In any case, I have the link to Curve's website down in the description. Feel free to leave me with any questions you have about this product. Thank you very much for watching, and until the next time.